Hi, my name is Marco and I am SKY POS software representative. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation. This time I will tell you more about SKY Office application. SKY POS software is based on cloud technology which gives our users many benefits such as manage data from anywhere, anytime, real-time monitoring on mobile devices, easier real-time staff management, data security and safety. The SKY Office application is used for complete management of facility anywhere. It can be installed in unlimited number of locations on private computers in the office, which means that it comes free with the SKY POS application and supports Windows and MacOS operating system. In case that the user has more than one business unit, it is possible to work through the same account. For the functionalities we single out, work with several business units via the same account, recipe, return write-off, inventory and transfer of goods and materials, defining recipes and ingredients, defining a happy hour price list, drawing graphics tables and areas, code list of suppliers, customer, loyalty customers, issuing invoices to companies, stock overview, item card, minimum stock, defining access rights for employees, calculating the work hours of employees, generation of tabular and graphical reports based on dynamic filters in real time.
Table and graphic reports. Table and graphic reports can be listed using the Instant Report option. Program generates a table report by selection date from to as well another filters. We can convert the generated table report with one click into a graphic report which we can filter and edit later. Defining the happy hour price list. User gets the opportunity to influence the sale prices of the item in a certain given time period. User can define multiple automatically started happy hour price lists. Quick price change. By selecting a sale item and click on the price field, the user can quickly change the price. Editing graphic space. User is allowed to arrange graphic space and table maps in a fast and easy way. Inventory. Inventory is specially designed so that user can do manually entry or intake using drink scales. At the conclusion of the inventory, program calculates the stock of all items.
In addition to the mentioned applications, the SKY POS team provides unlimited 24-hour support, which is included in the license price. You can try SKY POS software completely free for a trial period of 15 days with support included. If you have any questions, the SKY POS team is at your disposal.